Actually, naiinggit ako sa inyo. Kasi hindi ako pinayagan ng mga brothers pati pare mag-graduate. I was not allowed to take part in the graduation exercises because on the last days of we're practicing yung ensayo na kung paano mag-ano ng diploma, to take a bow. Suddenly, there was this happening inside the school. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Kasi magagalit yung pare pati. So I got expelled. So I was not allowed to join the graduation. Ang nanay ko nagtanong, sabi niya, Rodrigo, kailan ba ako pupunta ng Maynila? Kung may graduation ata, nabasa ko sa ano. Sabi ko, ma, sabi kasi ng pare, magulo. Nagmisa lang kami sa Abbey Chapel at binigyan kami ng diploma na wala naman laman. Wala naman ang nanay ko. So, finally,